A town had a population of 11,256 in 1995. By 2010, the population in that town had increased by 4,312. Estimate the town's population in 2010 by first rounding these two numbers to the nearest hundred. So we could figure out the exact population just by adding these two, but they want us to round to the nearest hundred first and get an estimate and then add. So it'll be an estimate of the town's population. So first we have this 11,256. That's the population in 1995. 11,256. We need to round to the nearest hundred. So let's look at the hundreds place here. So this is either going to go down to 200 or go up to 300, depending on what the next place is, or the next lowest place. So we go down to the tens place, we see a 5. 5 is 5 or greater, so we want to round this number up. We are going to round up. So if you round up to the nearest hundred, you get 11,000. Instead of having 256, we're rounding up to 300. 300 is closer to 256 than 200 is. That's why we're rounding up to that. That's why it's to the nearest hundred. Now, we added 4,312 people. So 4,312. Now, once again, we look at the hundreds place. We go one spot below that. The question we're trying to answer, do we go down to 4,300 or do we go up to 4,400? Which one is closer? Well, we see we only have a 1 here. 1 is definitely less than 5. So we want to round down. So 312 is closer to 300. We round down to just a 3 here, and these get zeroed out. So 4,300. And now we're ready to add our rounded numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 3 is 6. Let's put a comma here so it's easy to read every third digit. 1 plus 4 is 5. And then 1 plus, we have nothing here, so we just bring down that 1. And we could have written an addition there. We're adding those two numbers. So our estimate of the town's population in 2010 is 15,600.